Yeah. And come to page number 47. Page number 47. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. Very nice. Come to the page number 47. Ratio, proportion, and partnership. Yeah, did you come to the page number 47? Yeah, see the page number 47, ratio, proportion, and partnership. Some definition is given, just to go through this for 1 minute. Now you can see, so you have to see the ratios. What's the ratios? We know that is we studied in our school days. Okay. And ratios is A is to B, the ratio, it also can be written as A by B. A is to B can be written as A by B. So 1:2 can be written as 1/2. Okay. So any ratio can be written in the fraction form. That is the thing. Say for example 3:7, this can be written as 3/7. And 14/15, this can be written as 14:15. Okay. Now, so like that same way, reverse ratio and inverse ratio. So that is the thing. Now we can take reverse ratio. Direct ratios is what? B is to B. Okay. What is the reverse ratio? You can take 1/A to 1/B. It means that becomes B is to A, reverse ratio. Right. If nothing is there, you can write it like. Okay. Numerator can be 1. This is the reverse ratio. This is the direct ratio, proper ratios, right? And proportion, you need to know the proportion. What's the proportion? Proportion. Proportion means like there are 4 terms in there. C is to D. It means B is to C is equal to A is to D. A into D is equal to B into C. This is the proportion. Product of means and product of extremes. This is the means, this is the extremes. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. LHS equal to RHS. Then it is in a proportion like that. Yeah, turn the page. Related questions. Now you can see the third proportion. This is a proportion 1, proportion 2, proportion 3, proportion 4. There are 4 terms is known as a proportion. So related questions you can see. Third proportion to 16 and 4. Question number 1. 16 and 4. Right. So their last term, you can see simply. So easy ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ fourth term can be x ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ. Fourth term can be x. Say for example, you can take a is to b, okay, c is to d. Like what is there? 16 is there. You take this with 4. This can be always x value. If 4 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಕಿದೆ, ಈ 4 ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Then okay, now we can read this is the third. Stay simple ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Don't remember anything much. But t like 16 into x is equals to 14 into 4 into 4. So 16x is equals to 16. What is the x value? 16 by 16. So x value is 1. What is that? X value is 1. ಮೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೆನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. Fourth proportion of 6, 9, 20 is 6, 9, 20 is okay, like that. So now 6 into 9, 20 is x. So now we can do 6x into 9 into 20. So x equals 9 into 20 by 6. So what is the x value? So 3 2 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 10. So 30. That's the thing. Question number 3 ಮಾಡಿ. Question number 3. What fourth proportion to 7, 11, 14 is 7, 11, 14. 7, 11, 14. So you can take is 7 is to 11, 14 is to x. It means 7x equals 11 into 14 x. 11 into 14 by 7 x equals to 22. X value is what? 22. Option D. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ right. Next, if A is to B, A is to B is 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. B is to C, 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5. C is to D, 6 is to 7. Then what is this? B is to like that. So A is to B can be written as A by B. B is to always B by C into C by D. This is how we can write. Means this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. We will have A by D. It means you will get A is to D. Okay. Now you can see 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 6 by 7. What is it? So these all prime numbers you cannot do. 3 2s are okay. That's all. 8 to 16, 16 by 35. 16 is to 35. 16 into 35. Option B. Now question number 5. If 5 liters, 5 times a number is equal to 3 times other number. 5 times a number, 5 into x number is equal to 3 times other number, 3 into y. The ratio between the two numbers means x is to y is a question mark. Okay. Then we can take what is the, let x be here only, this shall be shifted to this side. 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. So, ಒಂದು x ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ 5 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x will be shifted to the other side. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಏನಾದರೂ y is to x ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, next 6. If two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3, and the ratio becomes 3 is to 4, and ratio becomes 3 is to 4, when 8 is added to both the numbers, then the sum of the two numbers is, sum of the two numbers, 2x plus 3x is what? 2x plus 3x is equal to 1. That's it. Now 2 ಇರೋದು 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 raised 2 is becomes 3, 3 becomes 4. It means the change of ratio is 1 is to 1. ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 is to 1? When 8 is added to both the numbers. You can equate 1x is equals to 8. 1x equals 8. Change of ratio is equal to change in the number. So 1x equal to 8. What is it? 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x is what? 5x. 5x equals to what? 5 into 8. So 40. 5 into 8, 40. Of course, only the ratio between the two numbers is 3 is to 5. That's all. You can make only is big as numbers. The question is error there is. Other number, the ratio between the two numbers. The 3 is to 4 should be there. Okay, create the option and write. I think options are not correct for this question. Maybe some error is been done. Okay, you correct that. Which question I am looking at is that question number 6. Okay, question number 6. No, this is question number 6. Sorry. This is the 6. Okay, B 40. Correct is that 40. Yeah, some of the correct. Next. Question number 7. The ratio of monthly incomes of A and B 6 is to 5. Income. A and B 6 is to 5. And their monthly expenditure are 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. And each of them saves rupees 400. Each of them saves rupees 400. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ 400 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 400 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ per month. Find the sum of their monthly incomes. Sum of their monthly incomes. It means 6x plus 5x equals what? Yes. Income minus expenditure is savings. Okay, now we can take this around 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 is to 2, same. 2x is equal to 400. So x equals 200. So 11x equals 11 into 200. So 2200. Yes, do you get what is written on the board? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಹೇಳಿ? Okay, Rakesh, you get it. What about Suvarna? Do you get? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪವನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ. ಸುವರ್ಣ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Do you understand what it is being said? Next one. Question number 8. The monthly incomes of two persons in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. And the monthly expenses are increased to 5:9. If each of them saves rupees 600 money, savings are same. Their monthly incomes ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, right? Okay, now income minus expenditure 2 minus 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೈನಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಅವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 2 into 3. ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 into 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟು 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6:9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5:9 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬಂದಿದ್ದು 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಂಟು 4 ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಂಟು 4 into 4. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು 8 12 8 and 12 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ 8:12. 2:3 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, 8:12 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ. ನಾವು 5:9 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 5:9. 3:3. Now it is very clear. 3:3. 3x equals 600. So x value is what? 200. X value is 200. Now what is the total incomes? So 8x plus 12x. It ತಗೋಬೇಕು, right? Multiplied by 200. It means 20x into 200. X value 200 ಅಲ್ವಾ, right? Right, okay. 20x. X value is 20x equals 20 into 200. It means 24,000. 24,000. Their monthly incomes are separate ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದ ಸಪರೇಟ್. ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಸ್ 8. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 8x is to 12x. It means 8 into 200. 12 into 200. So 1600 into 2400. Okay, ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So 1600 and 2400. Option C. Take it. Option C can be taken. Now, question number 9. Mean proportion of 12 and 32. Mean 12, 32 and 2. 32 into 2 root L. We can take root 64, root 8. Mean anta bandaga you have to do like this. Note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Option B, right. A man's expenditure on food is 3/5 of his expenditure on clothes. So, like 3/5. A man's expenditure on food is 3/5 of his expenditure on clothes. Find the ratio between the expenditure on the two items. So, very simple that is. Food is to clothes. It means 3/5 and you can take it 3:5 plus 3:5. Option B. Next, question number 11. A mixture of milk and water is such that the quantity of milk is 3/5 that of water. The proportion is being asked. A mixture of milk and water. Milk and water. What is such that the milk is 3/5 that of water. 3:5 again. Okay. The proportion of milk in the mixture. This is the ratios. Proportionally very important. Proportion of milk. What is the milk ratios? 3 out of total ratios. Out of total ratios. Milk. This is the proportion. Ratio with proportion is a difference. So what is the milk? 3. Total ratio 3:5. It means 3/8. ಅದೇ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5/8. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3/8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5/8. ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 8. 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. It means 8/8. 1/1 unit. That is called 1 unit. That's proving. Proportionally I'll take like that, right sir. Next, 16 liters of milk contains milk and water. 16 liters milk and water. Milk and water. Milk and water in the ratio 5:3. If 4 liters of milk is added, the ratio of milk to water in the mixture is a ratio is from the parent. Right. Total quantity is 16 liters. Total ratios is 8 ratios. So 8 ratios, 8x is equal to 16. What is the x value? 2 liters. X value is what? 2 liters. Okay. It means 4 liters is equal to 2 ratios. 2x. Total ratio 7. 7:3. 7:3. Option B. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. I'll explain once again if necessary. ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಆಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. Right. So now question number 13. Question number 13. Out of 120 applications for a post, total applications are 120. Data should be written immediately. 70 are male. Male 70. Our female is understood. Total 120. Male 70 and the one. Female is 50 is understood. And 80 have a driving license. ಈ 120 ನಲ್ಲಿ 80 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ driving license. What is the ratio between the minimum to maximum? What is the ratio between the minimum to maximum? To maximum number of male. ಇದು ಕೂಡ male. ಇದು ಕೂಡ male. Male having driving license. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು you have to say that is. This is the information. This is the question. That's all. ಈಗ ಎರಡೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೇಲ್, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗೆ ಡಿಎಲ್ ಇರೋರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಡಿಎಲ್ ಇರೋರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಟು ಮೇಲ್. ಓಕೆ. Now you can see total 80 driving license ಇದೆ. That is including this 80 is equals to male plus female. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 50 ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ 50 ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 30? 80 minus 50. This is the minimum. What's the maximum? You can say 80. What's the maximum? You can take male minus 80 minus you can take 70. So this is 30 is to 70. 0 gets cancelled. 3 is to 7. Or 3 to 7 you can take. Option C. And question number 14. See the question number 14. 0.6 of a number is equal to 0.08% of number. 0.6 of a number. 0.6 of a number is equal to number ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Let the number be x. Equal to 0.08% of a number. 0.08 of a. I think I see somewhere like percent ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಿ. Percent is not required there. Okay, you cut it off. Percent. Number. Okay, both are x values only. Percent take it. Okay. Okay. Now you have to see in the one decimal and the other decimal. You just uniform. 0.60 is equal to 0.60 is 0.08. Now ignore the decimal. 60 is to 8. 250 is the even 450 is the 4 2. 15 is to 2. option is not there. Number is equal to the ratio of two numbers will be barbekadu. Why it is okay? If it take the percentage, I will do it. I will try it. If you take like 0.6, 0.050%, you can write like this. Then what will happen here? 0.6 to make it 1 also. If you cross multiply, it's also 600. 63. And that is 8. Yes, 0.8. Even then it will get less than 2. Take it. Can't do that is percent ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಬೇಕು. Yeah, 15:2. You can create the option there. 15:2. Instead of 2:15, you write 15:2. That is. If you take another number, if you write like that, 0.6 of a number is to 0.08 of another number, you can make it y. Then you can see percentage see what of another number at the ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ y ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then so here see 0.6 x is equal to 0.08 y. What is the question? What is the ratio of numbers will be? X is layer, y is layer. You can shift it. 8 is to 60. You can make it like 4 2s are 450. Okay. 2:50. Now you make it like that. Question ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ correct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 0.6 of a number is equal to 0.08 of another number ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Another number. Then it will be all right. In a class of Z students, total students are Z. Out of them, X are boys. Boys is X. What percent of the class is composed of girls? Girls is but all fractions nalli ಇದೆ. You have to write the fraction. Total students are Z. Boys ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ X. Boys is equals to X by Z ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Girls you can write total size of the class is 1 ಅಂತ. 1 minus X by Z ಅಂತ. So this is Question number 16. Third proportion of 12 and 8 is, again, 12 is to 8, 8 is to x. It means 12x equals 64. So, this question error is 64 by 12. But question itself is a wrongly design. Question wrong ಇದೆ wrong ಅಂತ ಒಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes, next. Question number 17. A and B are in the ratio 4:5. A and B are in the ratio 4:5 and the difference of their squares is 81. Difference of their squares. 4x whole square minus 5x whole square is 81. Difference of their squares is 81. What is the value of A? What is the value of A? Then 4x equals to this. No, 4 whole square. 4 into 4, 16 x square minus 25 x square equals to 81. So 25 minus 16, 9x square is equal to 81. X square is 81 by 9. It means 9. So x square is 9. It means x equals root 9. It means 3. X value is 3. What is 4x then? 4 into 3 is 12. Option B. Question number 18. What number should be added to each 6, 4, 18 and 38 so that the resulting number make a proportion? ಈ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 18 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 18. 6, 14 6 6, 14 18, 38 18, 38. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎ ಒಂದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ +1 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು 7 into 14 19 into 39 4 9 36 9 7 63. Take B. Take B of 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? +2 +2 +2 +2. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಡ. 6 + 2 8 16 and 20 and 40. 16 2 32 4 8 32. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ like 8 into 40 is equal to 16 into 20. 320 is equal to 320. Yes, this is right. So option B is the appropriate one. Next, what number should be deducted from each of the number? Question number 19. Deduct ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay. 7, 10, 12, 18. 7, 12, 10, 18. 7, 10, 12. 10, 12. 18. Okay, option 1 ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. So this becomes 6, 9, 11 and 17. 99 ಬರಲ್ಲ. So take B option. Take B. 2. Now we can take 5, 8, 10, 16. Now we can take this is a 4. Okay. Sorry, this is a 5. Okay. Now we can try 5 into 16 is equal to 8 into 10. So 80 is equal to 80. I think option B is the appropriate one. Question number 20 ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ. I will wait for you. Do it to question number 20. Question number 20 ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes. Question number 20 ಮುಗೀತಾ 21 ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. Question number 21. A mixture contains spirit and water in the ratio spirit and water. Spirit, water. In the ratio 3:2. If it contains 3 liters more spirit than water, andre spirit 3 liters are more than the water. Okay. See, it means how many ratios are more than water? 1 ratio. So 1 ratio is equal to 3 liters. 3 liters. Water, then quantity of spirit in the mixture is, what is the 3 ratio? 3x equals to 1. So 3 into x value is 3. It means 9 liters. Option D. Now, question number 22. A mixture contains spirit and water in the ratio, this is over, 22. The ratio between male population and female population of a village is 17 is to male is to female. 17 is to 30. If the number of males 280 more than the females, 280 more than the females, this is equal to how many ratios more? 4x. It means x equals 70. The more than the female, find the total size of the population. Total size of the population is male plus female. It means 17x plus 13x. 13x. 30 into x value is 70. It means here is 21. Total population of the village is 2,100. Option D. Next, question number 23. The ratio of two numbers is 2:7. The ratio of two numbers is 10:7 and their difference is 105. And their difference is 105. It means 10x minus 7x is equal to 105. It means 3x is equal to 105. X equal to 105 by 3. So x equals to 35. X value is 35. Okay, now the sum of the numbers is 10x plus 7x equals to 17x. 17 into 35. 1785 into 595. Option A. Now, question number 24. A certain amount of money has to be divided between two persons P and Q. There are two people, P and Q, in the ratio 3:1. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ it was divided in the ratio 2:3. But this is the original thing. Okay, but actually happened is what 2:3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. And thereby Q loses rupees 10 and Q is 10 rupees he loses. What was the amount? Total amount is, it means so 3x plus 5x equals this. Now, you check the proportion. Q is we are talking about the Q. Q is original 5 ratios, 5 out of total ratios. 8 ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? This is the bill. ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 out of 5 ratios. Difference is 10 rupees loss ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ you have to 5/8 minus 3/5. LCM we can take 40, 25 minus 8, 24, then it becomes 1/40. 1/40. 1/40 is equal to what? 10 rupees. It means cross multiply. Total amount is 400 rupees. Total amount is 400 rupees. So this is 400 rupees. Option D. Question number 25. A certain amount of money is distributed among A, B, C. There are 3 people, A, B, and C. 3. A gets 3/60. B gets 1/4. Of whole amount C. C gets rupees 81. What is the amount of B? It means 1/4 is equals to S. This is the question. Okay. Now the whole money is equal to 1. So you have to 81 rupees should be converted to the fraction. Then how do you convert? Whole unit is 1. 1 minus 3/16. Minus 1/4, you will get 6. Now you can take, it means 1/1, LCM you can take 16. 16 minus 3 minus 4. Right. Now what will happen here? 16 is 30, 30 minus 9, 9/16. 9/16. This 9/16 is equals to 81 rupees. Now cross multiply. 81 into 16 by 9. 9, so 142. Okay, 144. But 1/4 of 1/4 into 144. It means 36. Option A. Question number 26. Already we learned this. A/B into B/C is equal to A/C means A into C. The same concept 7/9, 15 by 7. Cancel. 15 is to 9. 3 5 3 3 is left. So 5 is to 3. 5 is to 3. Option B. Question number 27. Rupees 2,600 is to be divided among 2,600 rupees. Divided among 3 persons ABC. ABC in the ratio 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay. Now, then if we see ratios always must be natural numbers. Ratios must be natural numbers. If there is a fraction or decimals, you cannot arrive to the proper solutions. Ratios ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಿರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ LCM. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ LCM ಆಫ್ 2, 3, 4? LCM ಆಫ್ 2, 3 and 4. ಅವಾಗ LCM ಆಫ್ 2, 3, 4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12. Now 1 by 2 into 12 multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 1 by 3 into 12 multiply with the LCM. 1 by 4 into 12. It means 6 is to 4 is to 3. 6 is to 4 is to 3. ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ is to be distributed. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಸ್ ಎ ಗೆಟ್? ಎಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಎಷ್ಟು? 6. ಎ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ 6 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ 13. What is the amount? 2,600. Now we can take 13 2s. Right. Okay. It means 1,200. Option D. Question number 28. A sum of rupees 9,000 is to be distributed among A, B, C in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6. A, B, C, 4 is to 5 is to 6. What will be the difference between A's and C's set? A and C's set. Difference between A and C. It means 2x equal question. Total amount is equal to total ratios. So total amount is equal to total amount is 9,000 is equal to total ratios 4 plus 5 9 6 15 15x. It means x equals 9,000 by 15 600. Difference 2x 2 into 600 it means 1,200 is amount. Option D. ಈ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. 29, 30 and 31 ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲ? 29, 30 and 31. Done. Okay. Yes, you done it, no? Yeah. What about others? ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? If you ask me, I'll do it. Yeah, who has completed? Yeah, let me know that. Yeah, Manu Kumar, Puneet, Rakesh, Arun Kumar. What about you? Keep responding. If you don't, I will. Arun Kumar, you have completed, no? Right. Let me wait for that others. Rakesh, Puneet, Manu Kumar. Puneet, you have completed. Fine. And see now Manu Kumar and yeah, Manu Kumar, you are completed. Yes. Rakesh. Yes, Rakesh, you are completed. Well done. Okay. Now we'll move on to, yeah, shall we have a break for few minutes? If yes, we'll have a break. Yes, okay, we'll have a break for few minutes, huh? Yes, come. All right, fine. We'll take a break for few minutes. Time, distance and speed. The basic structures of distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to basic structure, speed into time. And speed is equal to distance by time. And time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. Now we can see a train runs at an average speed of 75 kilometers per hour. Speed is given. 75 kilometers per hour. If the distance is 1050 kilometers, distance is 1050 kilometers. How long means time? Time means what? How many hours? Options are in hours. Time is equal to distance by speed. So now time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance? 1050 kilometers. By speed is 75 kilometers per hour. Now simplify it. So 25 3s are 25 4s are 25 2s are. Again, it means 14. Take 14 hours. Take 14 hours. Option C. Yeah, Puneet, are you back now? Rakesh, Arun Kumar, Vidranayak, are you back now? Yes, Arun Kumar, you are back. Huh? Fine. Yeah, Rakesh, Puneet, Vidranayak.
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. Okay, right, good. Yes, this is this. Now let us do the question number 2. Question number 2. What is the question number 2? Yes. A car covers a distance of 448 kilometers in 28 hours. It means the distance is given, time is given. What is the average speed? What is the average speed formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. So speed is equal to distance by time. What is the distance? 448 kilometers. 448 by 28. You get the speed. Three. A train running at the average speed of 30 kilometers per hour covers a distance in 6 hours. Speed is 30 kilometers per hour, covers a distance in 6 hours. Time is given 6 hours. The speed of another train, this is the train 1, train 2. Another train which covers the same distance, the D is same, in 5 hours. Time is what? 5 hours. Then in what is the speed? Speed is being asked. Oh. Now distance is up. Distance is speed, time is there. So distance is equal to what? Speed into time. It means 30 into 6 is the distance. Now this the distance is 30 into 6 time. So 30 into 6 by 5. So 36 kilometers per hour. It's raining heavily. Yes, what do you want to know? Page number? Page number 56. Page number 56. Heavy rains. Only one rain. Yes, where are you now? At which question you are? Yeah, let me know where exactly you are now, so I can solve that particular question. Yes, you want fifth one, okay? Yeah, fifth one, convert the speed of an object 36 kilometer per hour into, okay. So now, kilometer per hour to meters per second. Now, kilo means 1000 by hour is a meter. Hour should be converted to seconds. Means hour is first 60 minutes, seconds will be equal to 60. Now we can take 1000 by like 3600. 2 zeros gets cancelled and 5 to 80, 5 by 80, 5 by 80. So x kilometer per hour into 5 by 80, we get meters per second. So x meters per second into 18 by reverse, then you get kilometers per hour. That's now we can do it. So question number 5. 36 kilometer per hour into 5 by 80. So 80 was 82 means 10 meters per second. So 10 meters per second. And question number 6. And question number 6. A speed of 45 kilometers per hour is the same as meters per second again. 45 to 5 by 80. It means 92 by 95. It means 25 by 2. It means 12.5 meters per second. Yes, Rakesh, Puneet, Arun Kumar, are you getting? If you don't, you have to tell me. Yes, yeah, you got it, no? Fine. So there is leakage. Okay? There is leakage. Small, 20 నిమిషాలు కొంటాము. Yeah, should I start solving any question? If you ask me to solve any question, particular question, I'll start solving. Yes, Puneet, where are you now? At which question? Rakesh, Arun Kumar. It's 13th. Puneet, you are at 5. Okay. Should I do any questions, Puneet? 6. Okay, fine.
questions.
Yes, you want 12th question. Huh?
12th one, right.
See, like 12th one, it means this is two equal distances with two different speeds. It means, say that for example, so this is the distance. So this is the distance is about say like 100 kilometers. And distance 1, so D1 is 50 kilometers. And D2 is also 50 kilometers. It means D1 is equal to D2. But this speed is like 5 kilometers per hour. 5 kilometers per hour. This speed is 10 kilometers per hour. Then you have to apply this form. Number 1. Another part is that, see, this is a phone. This is the office, let us say, office. And so this is the building. So this is the D1 is equal to D2. It means D1 is equal to D2. Distance both to office and office to home is same distance. So now you can say this is 4 kilometers per hour speed. And this as in 5 kilometers per hour. Then also you have to see 2xy by x plus y. That is something. When two equal distances with the two different speeds, the average speed is equal to 2xy by x plus y. Now you can see the question. If a man goes to a place at an average speed of 10 kilometers per hour and then returns at the average speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed during the whole journey. Same. Again, you can see for 2 into what is going with the 10 kilometers per hour, returning with the 15 kilometers per hour by x plus 5, 10 plus 15. You get the average speed. Average speed you get. It means 2 into 10 into 15 by 25. You will get it. So it means 5 3 is the 5 5 is the 5 1 is the 5 2 is the 2 4 12 kilometers per hour. Option A. So the reason I have written even the formula also there. Specifically, formula is mentioned there. That's the average speed. It should be that. Average speed, not average. Average speed must be written. Yes, Kel Shahar. Again, 12th question, second question, no? 12th in second question, no? Example 2, no? Okay, all right. 12:2. A man goes to his office at the speed of 8 kilometers per hour and returns at the speed of 12 kilometers per hour. Right. Now you can see he goes to the office at 8 kilometers per hour. Returns to home 12 kilometers per hour. If he takes total 10 hours time, Total time 10 hours. Okay, it means going and coming both put together, total time. Find the total distance covered by. Total distance is what? So, total distance is what? Right. Now we know that is distance is equal to speed into time. Already we know that. If this is not possible, we have to apply some normal methods. So this is the traditional method. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed, you have to see that is speed is relative speed. So 2xy by x plus y into time. Total time is not 10 hours. Okay. Next step 2 into 8 plus what this is 12 by 12 8 plus 12 20 into 10. Now simplify it. And 0 gets cancelled here. This 2 gets cancelled here. It means 96 kilometers. Total distance. Total distance is 96 kilometers. If you ask what is the distance from home to office, means divided by 2. If you say a distance is home to office means 96. This is going and coming. By 2, you will get 48. So that is okay. So this is the normal formula. This is okay. Yes, you want 17th one. Okay. Ah, see that. Seventeenth. Okay. A man running at 7 by 11 of its own speed. 7 by 11 of his speed. Of his speed. Let us understand the question first. Speed. Reached a place in 22 hours. Time taken is 22 hours. 22 hours. How much how much time could be saved if the train would have run at its normal speed? So what is the time saved? Normal speed, if you go with the normal speed, okay, what is the time saved? This is the question, correct. Okay. Now you can see 7 by 11, this is a proper fraction, always less than 1. Any proper fraction is less than 1. Any improper fraction is more than 1. It means 7 by 11 speed means he has taken more time. If he goes with a normal speed, it takes lesser time then. So, okay. Now we can time and speed is interrelated disease. Now I will write down something on the board now. Time and speed. Time and speed. See, assume like that. I think I ask everyone to see now. Time and speed interrelated, that is. Okay. And now you can see in the time speed, that is. Okay. A distance, let me write the distance also here. Distance. Let us take distance is 1 kilometer. Assuming the distance is 1 kilometer, time taken is what? 1 hour. What is the speed? 1 kilometer per hour. Distance is 1 kilometer. If the distance is 1 kilometer, time taken is 1 hour. So speed is what? 1 kilometer per hour. Are you very clear now? Say yes, if yes. Okay, now you got it, no? Right. Now, let us assume that let the distance be same as it is. If 2 kilometer speed means time taken is what? Half an hour. Half an hour. And if it is a 4 kilometers per hour speed, then time taken is what? 1/4 hour. Okay. See now, are you clear enough now here? It means what? So, lesser the time, higher the speed. Or higher the speed, lesser the time. It goes on like that, interrelated. So, right. Now, if we take 2 hours, 2 hours, then time is taken, speed is what? Half kilometer per hour. If the time is taken 4 hours speed, 4 hours, then time, speed is 1/4, you can take the speed is what? 1/4 kilometers per hour. So higher the time, lesser the speed. It is interrelated. Now, let us consider everything into the fraction. 1 by 1, 1 by 1. This is 2 by 1, 4 by 1, 2 by 1, 4 by 1. Now, what do you see here? 1 by 1, 1 by 1, okay. 1 by 2, 2 by 1, reversing the fraction. 1 by 4, 4 by 1, 2 by 1, 1 by 2, 4 by 1, 1 by 4, same thing. Now, if the speed is, now what is the speed is mentioned here? 7 by 11. If the speed is 7 by 11, speed is 11 by 10, then time taken is 11 by 7. 11 by 7, time taken. Time taken, this is equal to 11 by 7. Now you will know the exact thing. It means 27 is equal to 11 by 7. Now 22 into 7 by 11. It means 14 hours. Normal time taken, supposed to have taken 14 hours. But time taken is here 22 hours. How much time would have been saved? 22 minus 14, 8 hours time would have been saved. Yes. You now just let me see that is whether you have understood or not. You got it, no? Okay, right. This is the basic input we need to take. That's all. Any question can be solved. Only thing is now you have to see that is any proper fraction is less than 1. Any improper fraction is more than 1. Yes, so you want 21st question, no? Right? 21st. A train passes a standing, a train passes a man standing on a platform in 8 seconds. Okay. And also crosses the platform, which is 264-meter long in 20 seconds. The length of the train is, okay, all right. Let us say distance. What is question number 21? Distance being length of the train is equal to distance. Distance is normally is what? Speed into time we take. Okay, speed into time we take. Okay, now what is a train crosses a man standing on a platform in 8 seconds. We talk about a person. Okay, standing on a platform we don't want to take. Process in 8 seconds. And also crosses the platform, which is 264-meter long in 20 seconds. It means in the same direction, difference between the time we can take. So time we can take 20 minus 8, 12 seconds we can take difference. Okay. And time taken is 12 seconds. 264-meter long platform, that is the length of the train. Okay. What is any confusion is there? That is a man standing 8 seconds. If you take only 8 seconds, he cannot arrive to anything that is, because two things are required: distance, speed, time. Any two things are required. If you take only 8 seconds, you cannot do anything with it. And also crosses the platform, which is 264-meter long in 20 seconds. Okay, crosses the platform. Platform length is what? Platform length is 264-meter. Length of the train is not known. When it's crossing the platform, you have to add both the distances. Length of the platform plus length of the train. Length of the platform, length of the train, we don't know. This is the distance. It's equal to speed into time. Speed into time, what we can take here? Speed. What is the speed? Speed means distance by time we need one. Okay. And time, distance, speed. To know the speed here, you need the distance by time. Distance, let us take 264 meter. Okay. And time taken is what? 12 seconds you can take. Passing a man 8 seconds, passing the platform only you can take 12 seconds. It means 12. Then you can say 12 twos are 24, 22. It means 22 meters per second. Speed is 22 meters per second. Now 22 meters per second into time. Time is how much time is taken? That's, I think, still it is not sufficient. Speed into time. Again, you need time. Time is what? 12 seconds. 12 seconds you can take. Time. 12 seconds you can take. Right. Now we can multiply it. It means 12 twos are 24. 2. So this is something. 2, 10, 20. 440. It means 440. We were 264. Now we can take 440 minus 260. 176. 176. Option B. This is. I think there are two structures are involved here. Yes, Arun Kumar, where are you now? Puneet, what about you? Yeah, Kaif Shekha, where are you now? Arun Kumar. Okay, fine. Keep doing it. Completed, no? Yes, Kaif Shekha completed. Fine. What about Arun Kumar? Where are you now? May I know? Fine. Shall we wrap up the program? Yes, we shall end the session. Yeah, have a nice evening. Thank you. We shall assemble back again tomorrow. You have also completed, Arun Kumar. Excellent. Huh? Yeah, we shall start time and work tomorrow. Huh? Okay, right. Have a nice, have a good time. Thank you.